Hi, my name is Max Fleshman, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Wolf KTB 6-string fretless bass from Wolf Guitars, from All-in-One Guitars. So, I guess I'm going to start off with the looks. I'm going to talk about the looks kind of the least, because you kind of know what you're getting, if you're buying. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful guitar. Nice blue finish on there with a nice gloss over it. You got brass hardware on the bottom and top hardware. You've got ebony black neck. Whoops. You got your fret markers in your common areas. The only difference is that there's a fret marker on the 1 on this fretless, which isn't, the most common for most guitars. So, this bass cost me, after shipping and handling, $430. I bought it for around $380 on a eBay sale auction. This is a new guitar. This isn't used. It's set up really well. I'll show you the action. This is the action from the box. That looks like maybe 2 or 3 millimeters, 3 or 4. Here's what the B string sounds like. So you see there's a little bit of buzz on certain parts of the B string. Here's the E string. It's got 2 octaves, so 24 frets if you're used to fretted instruments having, that amount of frets. None of the other strings really have any buzz. It's set up really well. I'm just going to have to heighten that bass string a little bit to cut that buzz. Now, it's got inside of it 2 truss rods, which is really nice. My only kind of issue with how this guitar is made is that it's only got 4 bolts holding in the 2-piece guitar from the neck to the body. Of course, everyone likes a neck through, but I personally prefer about 6 bolts on my instruments. I know that is really dumb, but it's just kind of what I'm used to, and it makes it feel a little more secure. You got a nice little wolf inlay right there. Let's see, in the tones, this is with it just on the bridge pickup right now. That's it with both pickups on, full. So it handles tapping relatively well. The B sounds a little sometimes when you tap really hard, and the C is a little quieter when you're tapping. Basically, I'm making this video just for anyone that's looking into this bass, because I know there's a couple videos by All-in-One Guitars, which is the distributor of Wolf Guitars, and they're just really, really bad videos. Like, no hate to the guys that did it, but, guys playing shit like that the whole time, and he uses mainly, like, the mid 4 strings. Doesn't really show off the B or the C much. You know, so riding the B kind of sounds like that. Let's see, what else can I talk about? I mean, this is just a really great bass, honestly, for what it is. If you notice, you'll hear almost no buzz, no extra fret noise or extra pickup sounds, even with the volume turned all the way up on my amp and with both pickups going. See, I'm trying to be kind of thorough. You know, you can play a bunch of cool Les Claypool jams on it. Sounds good, you know. But yeah, I just really wanted to kind of rant about how good of a guitar this is. Like I said, under $450 for the whole thing, shipped. I believe it was shipped from. It was shipped somewhere in America to Kentucky. That's where I'm at. 30-something bucks. Really nice guitar. Sounds really good. Looks really good. Doesn't have a bunch of gloss issues or anything like that. Smooth neck. The neck's so smooth. Look. So, you know, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a taste for people that were interested in this bass from Wolf because it's a relatively unknown, you know, brand. Being a North Korean brand, that sticker price is so cheap. Most people would be like, man, I don't know. Because I know I was like, dude, I hope this isn't some cheapo piece of crap. But lo and behold, when it came in, you know, it was boxed pretty decently. It didn't come with a case, which is okay. I didn't pay that much. Some cases cost more than what I paid for this whole guitar. And it was packed pretty alright. No damage on it beforehand. It sounds good. The tone's good. It doesn't buzz. The pickup tone, at least, the B string, I got to do a little bit of work on, but that's okay because that's to be expected with 6-string fretlesses, you know. And yeah, I just wanted to, you know, from all-in-one guitars, it gets a thumbs up for me, man, especially for the price. I'm sure anyone from beginners to professionals could use this instrument somewhere. Thanks.